friend is the person that's died. And they look at the class and they say, did anybody know but so-and-so, but so-and-so? And you put your hands up and say, yes, he was my best friend. They say, okay, but you can go. But then outside now. Because we're actually going to show you the incredible impact on the body that these accidents have. Okay. In particular, if you spin the aircraft, in particular, if you land the aircraft with nose down, in particular, if the speeds are high. The good news it does show is 2 people being killed.